Good morning, folks! This is the June the 1st, 2025, and I just left Ogema or Ogena, I don't know how to pronounce that name, this morning, and as you can see, the smoke is gone today. So for now, I hope that will be it. I guess that will come back some time later in the afternoon. That's the case of the wildfires in BC and Alberta. That's the bad thing about the tailwind that I got finally, and all the smoke from BC and Alberta will come to the east and until New York, so I have to hurry. No, the smokes are faster than me, and I will see if I will get into the smoke this afternoon. I will head now to Weyburn. I don't know when I will be there. We will see. Yeah. Some people collect stamps, some people collect cards. Dawn 58. I just leave Weyburn. Wind is bad from the north, but I thought, oh, what the heck, it's just lunchtime. After lunch, 1 p.m. I will go for the next 60k to start another stupid sign. No Weyburn windmills, because they create winds. Windmills are creating winds, and they're shredding birds. They're shredding birds. Ah, they're shredding birds. Ah, all the birds are dying. We rather have coal. We rather have wildfires. So that's why they are against renewables, because they want to stick on the fossils, because they get money from the fossils. Money rules the world. Money, money, money. Yeah, we don't need nature, we need money. Profit, profit. Oh, but look over here. What do we have here? Solar panels. What's up? They're milking the sun. Yeah, you see, now they're shadow because the solar panels are taking away the sun rays. Yeah, for sure. Good morning, folks. Today is the 2nd of June and it's totally different. Yesterday I sweat like hell, and today I'm freezing my butt off. I don't know, that will a little bit look awkward without having a butt. So yesterday I made 140 Ks to Staunton. Today I think I will just go to Carlisle. 54 Ks, that's enough. It's shitty bad weather. I mean, luckily it doesn't rain, but it's just overcast. You don't see any sun. Yeah, that's because the solar panels took the sun away, I guess. Yeah, that's because. Yeah, see ya. Forget one. Forget what? Arcola, the heritage town. Good morning, folks. It's June the 3rd, 2025. I just left Carlisle this morning and I will go further on the Red Coat Trail. I don't know where I will stop this night. I will see. We have some beautiful tailwind and the occasional ponds. Okay, a car and a truck behind. It's always if there is no one on the road, but if there is a truck, then another truck or another car comes at the same time and we will meet at the same time. New Saskatchewan. Welcome Manitoba.